doing this for you guys, man, for the channel. Hopefully you guys can see me and hear me well. There's music playing up above me, but right now we've made it to some cascadas, some falls, waterfalls, little mini waterfalls. This thing is super dope, guys. We're about to cross this bridge real quick. All right, so of course I gotta have my Truth Seeker tee on. Shout out to my brother, man, Truth Seeker, for the tee. So I found this cool little spot here. Check this out. So this is all natural water that flows down from the mountains. It comes all the way down here. It cascades all the way down to there. So it's very, very cool. So that's the area I want to take you guys real quick. But let me see if I can show you guys a better picture of this. Let me cross real quick. This is dangerous. This is dangerous. Alright, let's cross real quick. Alright, we made it over. So now let's go over here real quick. Man, this place is so beautiful. The area that we're in right now in Oaxaca is, I forgot what's the name of it. Man, this place, and not to sound corny or anything else, but man, this place has like a very mystical, magical, spiritual vibe to it, man. Besides the music they're playing right now for the tourists, but this place has a very mystical feel to it. This is like a place I would love to live in, man. Check this out, guys. Let's head back real quick. Hopefully I don't bust my ass. This car's back again. I'm telling you guys, this place is beautiful. I'm gonna take a picture too so I can show you guys too, but this water is clear blue. Check this out. Check this out, guys. This is beautiful right here. Check this out. Alright, so this is where I'm going, guys. Alright, so let's walk up here. Hopefully I don't slip on these rocks or cut myself. I'm gonna cross. I'm gonna cross right here. And this to this one. Hopefully I don't bust my ass. So let's see, guys. Throw my shoes over there. Alright, here we go, guys. Made it. Okay, cool. Alright, here we go. I'm gonna leave my shoes right here. Okay, my hat. And the water's too cold, so I'm not gonna go in without a shirt because it is way too cold for me to jump in the water and catch a cold. Since I got my glasses. So this is where I'm gonna be going in, guys. So there's people over here taking pictures too. So as soon as they get done, I'm gonna jump in. Sorry, I haven't cut my hair, so I look old, like an old man right now. I'm trying to find a barber shop over here to cut my hair, to just completely shave it off. Alright, guys, I'm about to go in right now. So hopefully I don't freeze myself to death. Going in, guys. Let's see. I'm gonna put you guys down here real quick. Alright, guys, it's recording. Here I go. Oh, that water's so cold. Like freezing cold. just doing this for you guys, man, for the channel. Oh my god. Oh wait, hold on. I just sunk in there real quick. Hold on, give me a sec. I don't know what the hell I touched right now. Look how dirty got the water though. You know what guys, I'm just gonna go inside the waterfall real quick. How about that? Alright, so change your plans. Plan B. I'm just gonna do the waterfall. It's really slippery and I don't know what the heck's down there. I just touched a bunch of crap. So I'm just gonna hit the waterfall right now. Woo! Oh, I don't know about that either. La fría, ¿sí? Shake un poquito. It's cold, guys. The water's cold. One more, guys, one more. Yeah! Oh gosh, the water is cold. Let me take this out. Oh my god. Let's go. I hope I don't get a headache or migraine now. Okay guys. Alright, like I said, I was about to get into this cold water, but it's way too much. I'm just gonna stick to the waterfall. And that's it. I feel like I'm gonna get a headache with too cold of water. But this is so awesome, guys. Check this out. Man, this place is so mystical. If it wasn't because it's so cold right now, like it's literally like brisk right now, I would definitely jump in, but it is way too cold, guys. Again, shout out to my brother True Seeker, man. This is for you, brother. This is for you. Alright, let's keep walking. Oh my god, that was insane. Whew. So the reason we're here, I forgot, I don't know if I mentioned it, we're doing a tour. It's an all-day tour. I think it's like an 8-9 hour tour. So we're gonna be visiting different parts of Oaxaca, different touristy areas. Check this out. Dead crab. It's like a little worm crawling in there. There's bugs everywhere. But this is nature, guys. This is what it's all about. This is what it's all about. Alright guys, let me catch you guys back down there. Alright, so now we're back. We're back down here. This is the pool area. I got my kids, wife, mother-in-law, sister-in-law back there. This water is way better. It's way better because that water back there was freezing. It was really cool, man. This is almost like a little it's like a little mini resort too, because there's cabins you can rent over there. So check this out.
It's in the middle of nowhere though.
What's this place called again?
Piedra del Agua. Rocks from the water.
Rocks from the water.
Water.
Alright, let me take you guys down there real quick to see the rest of the waterfall. This is very cool, man. This is so. I'm sure there's places like this, something like this, hold it back in the States, but this is insane, guys. Check this out. I'm not about to risk my life and sit there. I wanted to sit on a little cliff edge, but nah. Alright, guys, let's go back because we're in a tour, so we got a time limit. So I'm gonna go ahead and get back, change, and then I'll catch you guys back up. ¿Cómo que se llama este lugar?
San Pedro Yucunama.
Ahí está, mira. Sabe que la típica es arriba.
Tesoro Mixteco. Yucunama, ya.
Alright, so we're out here in Yucunama. It's a little town. The way over here, let me show you guys real quick. I think the population here they were saying is around 250 people. So that's the whole town right there. Vente, Tina. Tina. This place, I'm telling you, man. Every time I come to Mexico, every time somebody asks me about Mexico, it never fails for me to tell them that Mexico is so magical. It's mystical, man. This place is something else. So this street, this is the road that we're taking. ¿Qué aquí, okay, Valentina? No te muevas. So this is the road that we came from. That one, and it goes down all the way down there. And you can see, I mean, this place is up in the mountains. Where I don't know how high the elevation is. But it's very beautiful. Agua, sí, el agua. This place, I swear, man, Mexico, I love you. I love the country, the people, everything. So like I was saying, the way up here, a storm hit us, and it's all back roads, like dirt roads, pebbled roads. There's no pavement, and it got kind of dangerous. It started hailing on the way back, on the way up here. It started hailing, so you got kind of scared there for a minute, but everything's okay now. I mean, this place, man, just check this out. How nice is this? Vente, Tina. Vente. Poquito a poquito. So we just had the most super organic meal that you could ever have. So the natives here, they'll cook whatever they have available, right? So they cooked us a lentil soup with cactus, and then we also had, what else we had? The main dish was mole with potatoes and cactus, also with white rice on the side. And then we also had, and then we had for dessert, cinnamon cake, fresh baked here with coffee. They call it café de olla, which is cinnamon coffee. So good. And I'll show you guys real quick the people who made them, the women who made them. Super nice. So it's a very small town, guys. Very slow, very low population. This is the spot right here. Okay. And I'll show you guys real quick. That's the bus that we're taking on the tour. Okay. I'll show you guys real quick. Okay, those are our tours. Tour guys. Okay. And those are the chefs. Right there. They cook some good stuff, and this is real cool. This is something you don't see too often, even over here. Okay. Okay. So this is the bathrooms, like this right here. Boom, right there. Those are the bathrooms that they have out here. It's kind of like old school, like the stuff they used to have back in the days, right? So I'm actually gonna see if I can just walk up here real quick while we're waiting. I'm gonna walk up this road real quick, take advantage of the fact that everybody's still eating and chilling and relaxing. This is cool, man. Check out the pebbled stoneways, pathways. The town is completely quiet, guys. There's nobody roaming the streets. That's the main church right here. You guys can see that right there. That's the main church right there. So it is completely empty right now. I mean, 250 people. The population is the max. You can expect there's no noise, nothing. So let me let you guys hear real quick how quiet it is in this town. Check this out. So we'll walk real quick and then we'll head back because we're kind of on a time limit. So this is the main center of the town. Just like if I would say, just like every Mexican town, you have the center, the Zócalo, the little church or a big church, and then you have everything else around it. So this is pretty cool. Check this out. You have bathrooms in here, super clean bathrooms. Look at that. I'm actually gonna use the bathroom real quick. Hold up, guys. So the bathrooms here are actually very, very clean, guys. There's no tops to the toilets, but it's very, very clean. Very, very clean. Let's keep going. Alright, guys. Man, it's so peaceful here, so quiet. Man, look at this. How beautiful is this, guys? Check this out. How nice is that? This is literally, I mean, you won't ever, I mean, if you don't know what this place is, you won't ever find it. It's up high up in the mountains, kind of in the middle of nowhere. Super, super nice. Man, check out this. This is like stuff you see in the movies, guys. This is so cool. Look, you have the little banners there. Very, very cool. So beautiful, man. Alright, guys, so now we're gonna see if we can head up here to this. I just got done taking some shots, so I wasn't here. Let's see. So that's the treasury and the secretary. Cool. Alright, so let's walk up here real quick, guys. Guys, check this thing out. You can probably hear like a good echo. Echo! Yo! Okay. We're about to do the tour. Let me head back down real quick. So once we head out, I'll inform you guys back with the update. Alright, guys, let's go. Es el agua. So we're taking the tour. The tour's actually ahead of us. I kind of just want to kind of stand back, just enjoy really myself and enjoy. You know, we're walking the whole like half of this area. You got cows right there. Right there. I mean, there's no fear of cars passing by and you getting trampled. No bicycles, no motorcycles, no traffic, none of that stuff. You can literally just walk around this area free as a bird. No cares in the world, man. I mean, 250 people population. I mean, you know, this is, I've never really felt like peace in a place like this, man. It's just so quiet, so calm. It's crazy. Alright, so what is it to do here? Cleansings?
Massages, and temazcal, which is like a sauna.
What, yeah, cuidado, mami. So the temazcal, it's like a sauna. Let me see if I can get in here pretty good. Okay, so you go in here. It's like a little dome. You put the little charcoal or whatever you want to heat up in there, and so you go in there. And it's like a small sauna. And I think this is what they put mud on you too and all that kind of stuff. It's supposed to be like relaxing and cleansing kind of stuff. I guess let's keep going. Alright, so here we have natural earth water. From the mountains that you can drink. This is the most natural water that you can ever drink in your life.
¿Cómo no traje una botellita, verdad?
Ajá. ¿Le vas a tomar agua? Ya nos vamos.
Y allá adentro tiene agüita.
Yo jugando aquí. Agarren.
You can't see in there, but all the water's in there. Very cool. Agüita? Man, check out this scenery. I hope you guys can see it in the background. If not, I took some pictures so you guys can see. Guys, this is the place to live, man. I don't know how we can all live in cities, man. This is crazy. This is the way it should be, man. Vente, let's go. Okay? So in this end, this tree we are right now, we've walked a lot already. This end of this tree is probably around more than 2,000 years old, man. It looks like it too. It's crazy. Check this out. Wow. Okay, so you guys see the tree right there, right? So what's the myth?
The gentleman who gives the tour said that our old legend is, and the end of the story is that a little boy was sitting here playing next to the tree, and all of a sudden the tree he was hugging the tree, and the tree hugged him back, and he got stuck there. So if you look closely, the two trunks right there look like legs, and the top part is, you know, little boy's bottom, but he got swallowed in the tree and then just eventually grew with the tree.
That is such an awesome story, man. It's funny how every little town has their own little myths and legends, man. That's pretty cool. Hola! Here goes the sheep. That's the kid herding the sheep. Where do you see that at? Nowhere.
Nowhere.
So guys, so this is the old school. This is from 1956. This was the old washers right here. This is how you used to wash clothes back in the days. You would come in here, the woman will come in here, the water will be running, it will circulate, and then you will come here, bring your clothes, and you scrub away. So you will literally just scrub, and you know, all the water would just rush down through those holes, and all the dirt and everything would just rush out and keep going into here, and it'll keep recirculating, come right back out. Little donkey right there. It's very cool, guys. Very cool. Alright guys, so I realized that I never really actually ended the vlog, so I'm just gonna do it here. I am back home. I still got a couple more videos that I'm trying to edit out. I'm not sure if I'm gonna put all of them out because it's just so many, but these are just two of the spots that we hit while we were doing the tour. Two of my favorite spots. And I gotta say, I'm so in love with Mexico. I've been since day one, but I'm sure you guys can tell just by the videos I've been putting out. So again, I hope you guys did enjoy it and are enjoying these vlog videos that I did. I am back home, so I'm just trying to finish up a lot of these videos and put them out as fast as I can. And I do have more stuff coming. So again, hope you guys enjoyed it, and I'll catch you guys on the next one. Later.